Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Today, you'll learn simple English words while you sleep. Let's start with some easy words that you can use every day. I'm sorry, I'm late. Can you turn on the light? I'm going to bed now. Can I sit here? Lunch is ready. I'm feeling tired. Can you lend me a pen? Do you have any plans for the evening? No, I don't have any plans. Have a safe trip. Thanks, I will. Is there a supermarket nearby? Yes, it's right next to the gas station. What's the Wi-Fi password? It's 1234 ABC. Can I have some more time, please? Sure, take your time. I'm a little confused. Can you help me? Yes, just tell me what's confusing. Can you recommend a good movie? I recommend Forrest Gump. Let's meet at the usual place. All right, I'll see you at the usual spot. The food smells delicious. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is the beach. I'm not sure what to choose. Let's order some burgers. I have an appointment with a human resources manager tomorrow. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer tea. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. That's a good suggestion, thank you. Can you pass me the remote, please? Sure. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. Let's try a new restaurant. I am sorry, I'm not interested. The gate is locked. How long have you been lived here? I've lived here for 5 years. What did you order? I ordered pizza. I opened the bottle. What's for lunch? Lunch is chicken and rice. What time do you prepare dinner? I prepare dinner at 6 p.m. I pay the bill. This is my first time here. I'm never come again here. That's it for today's. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to learn English smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.